What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. The case we've been waiting for. I've been using the Z Fold or Z Fold. I can't, you know what, just the Fold 6. I've been using the Navy Fold 6 now for the last couple of weeks. It's fantastic. I can't put it down. It's replaced me S24 Ultra at the moment as my main device. It is a bit sharp on this corner, I've noticed when digging it in, but that's for the full review, so stay tuned. The good folks over at Thinborne sent over their case and we know how well it done for the S24 Ultra. I'm hoping you'll like this one. The carbon weave box as normal, the Thinborne in gold. On the back, just a little barcode tells you what it is and what it's for, and when you open it up, important information and how to identify the essential, what the case is made of, which is adamant fibre, how to clean it, and any issues, who to contact. 6-month warranty for manufacturing flaws, service guaranteed 100% satisfaction, mindset of a minimalist, and made in Texas. So there is the case. Let's go ahead and chop it out. So there's that piece, little sticky tabs, there's 2 sets of those. It's nice to see, and we've got a front piece, and you'll also get a screen protector, which is a good thing, but I've got the Spigen one on at the minute, so I'm not going to replace mine. There's the front piece, and there is the back piece. So it says Thinborne on the bottom, nice raised camera bump, and these little blue things here that you're going to take off because it's going to stick to the side of your phone. So let me go ahead and take these off now, and of course you do get extras as I showed you. Okay, so let's go ahead and fit the front piece. Now, as I say, I have got the Spigen screen protector on this. So let's see. That snaps into place really nice. Fit seems to be really nice. Seems to be on there quite well. So now let's cover up the back. So let's grab this piece right here, and you're going to take off this piece of sticky. And if you just noticed, MagSafe logo. Love the MagSafe logo. And now that's on there. Now there we go. That's what I'm talking about. If you've seen the Pataka review, you know I'm not a big fan cases that just have the back cover. I prefer it when they have all round protection. As you can see, it's all the way around apart from the hinge, but you can get obviously hinge protection if you wanted to. There we go. So there is the Thinborne case for the Fold 6. Let me know what you think of that. Is this something you would go for? Cutouts on the side right there for your volume and your power button, and of course that fingerprint sensor. Folding it out, and that is what it's going to look like when it's all folded out. So it looks fantastic. The aramid is superb, super nice quality. The front isn't coming off as easy as it would because it's nice and held down, but yeah, I think that's going to be a permanent fixture on my Fold 6. And also as well, I haven't put this video out just yet, this has got lens protectors on it, and it fits. I mean, it's a bit of a snug fit, but it fits. But also as well, now what we've got to try out is the MagSafe. Grab the MagSafe battery pack first. It slaps into place, and it doesn't quite go because it's obviously that square, and the camera bump is quite big, so it doesn't fully sit on. That's just with the MagSafe power bank. In the Nomad base stand, which is mostly like similar charges to what you're going to be using if you use MagSafe. So there's this with the puck on it, so the puck goes onto the back. So if we grab the Thinborne case, it slaps into place. The phone is actually dead, which is why it's not charging. So I've been using it that much. See, the phone has been completely dead for most of the day because I've been using it over the last 2 days. But let's try and pick up the Nomad base stand with it, and yeah, absolutely. Now the base stand is super heavy, but picks it up with no issues. So that is a major win right there. That's fantastic. Thinborne, after the S24 Ultra case, they make some absolutely fantastic cases. I've got more to show you for more phones coming up, so stay tuned for that. Get subscribed now, but the feel of the aramid fibre on this one feels stunning. Feels fantastic. The Thinborne, and of course the gloss black to set off with the aramid, the matte black aramid, phenomenal. So they've done an amazing job on this. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is this something you would consider going for? As I say, fits with lens protectors, fits with screen protectors. That's absolutely stunning. It really is. That is going to be a main feature on my phone now going forward. So you're going to be able to find a link down below, my affiliate link. Won't cost you any extra, to where you can pick it up for yourself. So head down there and check that affiliate link out. If you want to pick one up, you can get it for the Fold 6 and the Flip 6, and most of the phones as well are now doing it for, including the new Pixel. So there we go. So get ready for those videos coming soon, but let me know what you think of this in the comment section down below. Is this what you would go for with your Fold 6? Let me know in the comment section down below. Huge thank you to Thinborne for sending this over for us to take a look at and show to you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.